Are you looking for your first car but have a budget under $5,000? It might sound impossible, but we found some gems that'll make your friends envious and your wallet happy. From sporty rides to ultra-reliable commuters, this list will cover the best first cars for students. So without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Mazda 3 Touring. The Mazda 3 Touring makes an excellent first car. It's practical, reliable, and has a stylish design that stands out. Offering great fuel economy and low maintenance costs, it's perfect for a student budget. The Touring Edition adds more horsepower and extra space for adventures with friends. With safety features like airbags and smart crash sensors, it's a trustworthy choice that's built to last through school and beyond. Number 2. Scion TC. The Scion TC from Toyota's youth-oriented lineup is a hidden gem. It features a sporty design and a 240 horsepower engine, making it incredibly fun to drive. Highlights include a panoramic sunroof and a classy interior with a sleek dashboard. Be aware of the 2007 engine recall issues, though. Once you secure a well-maintained model, the Scion TC will be your reliable and stylish companion for years. Number 3. Acura TSX. The Acura TSX offers a luxurious experience at a budget-friendly price. It's equipped with a 2.4-liter VTEC engine and delivers 205 horsepower. While fuel efficiency could be better, perks like sport shift modes, Bluetooth connectivity, and a powerful sound system make up for it. Safety features like a trunk anti-trap device add peace of mind. If you're patient, you can find a high-quality TSX deal. Number 4. Honda Civic, 1996 to 2000. The Honda Civic from 1996 to 2000 is a classic first car for a reason. Renowned for reliability and easy maintenance, this model delivers impressive fuel efficiency. In the late 90s, it even faced off against muscle cars. Though older, it remains fun to drive and perfect for daily commutes. Finding a well-preserved Civic can be competitive, but once you do, you'll understand its enduring popularity. Number 5. Toyota Yaris. Okay, the Toyota Yaris might not have the most flattering name, but it's an excellent pick for budget-conscious students. Compact, fuel-efficient, and easy to park, this little car can squeeze into tight spaces and run on a dime, achieving 35 miles per gallon on the highway. It only has a modest 106 horsepower engine, but it makes up for it by being ultra-reliable and dirt cheap to maintain. If you're not worried about flashy looks, the Yaris will keep your bank account smiling. Number 6. BMW 325i 2006. Dreaming of a luxury ride? The 2006 BMW 325i might surprise you. It offers sporty handling and upscale features for a bargain price. This BMW comes with advanced tech like active steering and bi-xenon headlights, even cruise control that adapts to speed changes. But buyer beware, these cars often have over 100,000 miles. Routine maintenance and pre-purchase inspections are crucial if you want this luxury car to treat you well. Number 7. Volkswagen Jetta SE. The Volkswagen Jetta SE has it all. Excellent fuel economy, a roomy cabin, and advanced features. This car is a joy to drive, with 170 horsepower under the hood and smooth handling that makes even mundane drives feel enjoyable. Inside, it feels luxurious, and owners consistently report minimal issues. If you can, choose the soft cloth seats for maximum comfort. Find a Jetta SE with under 100k miles, and it could be the perfect first car for you. Number 8. Ford Focus. Last but not least, the Ford Focus is a reliable option that delivers on performance and practicality. It's known for agile handling and a comfortable interior, making it a great pick for both city driving and road trips. The Focus has a reputation for longevity, as long as you stay on top of regular maintenance. Look for Focus models under $5,000 and get ready for a dependable ride that doesn't break the bank. So, there you have it. 8 amazing first cars under $5,000. From sporty to practical, there's something for everyone. Before buying, remember to do your research and get a pre-purchase inspection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more budget-friendly car tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe driving.